Here we have a 2019 Barletta L21Q Tri-Toon. Does have the performance package. A lot of options on it. 319 hours. Huge extended deck in the back. Yeti cooler storage back there. 150 horse Mercury, stainless prop, stainless ladder, fender holders, ski tow bar. Very nice boat, docking lights, a lot of seating, armrests, in-floor storage, upgraded teak weave flooring, raised helm, doggy dishes, very comfortable captain's chair. It's rated for 11 people. Hertz stereo is upgraded. Simrad. Power bimini, full cover, a lot of seating. This boat does come with a trailer. The trailer is a 2022 Tandem Axle with brakes. Your cell phone chargers down there by the seats. Very nice boat. We do offer financing at SkipperBud's as well.